Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another one. It has been forever since I've been back on the channel. But anyways, today we're out here trying to kill some ducks. I have no idea how this is gonna go. It's probably 30-35 mile-an-hour winds, I think is what they're calling for right now. And I'm kind of in this big marshy area on the big water, and it is pounding snow right now, and it's supposed to all morning. So we'll see. I don't know. It's either gonna be an absolute slam dunk or an absolute flop, but we'll see. So hopefully, I'm really hoping we can get some ducks here in this absolutely crazy duck weather, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and keep you updated here. Hopefully we get some ducks. That's a new species for me. I have not gotten one of those yet, so that's pretty sweet. I'm thinking though, I'm gonna wind up making a move and head up in there where I just jumped all those ducks. I was gonna have 2 mallards there, but my gun jammed on me once again. So anyhow, beautiful day in northern Michigan. Hopefully we can get a move on here and get a few more before the day's out. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys. Oh, I think it's a filthy merganser. I think it's a filthy merganser. It is. Oh, gone it. I was really hoping this is going to be a big fancy duck. Oh well. Come here, buddy. It is a pretty one. Whew! Guys, I've seen so many birds, it's not even funny. I've been trying to move this whole time. There's a merganser. Oh my goodness. Definitely the most exhausting weather I've ever hunted in. Wow. Brutal. Brutal weather. But the ducks are flying. They are flying. get picky, guys. What the heck? Oh my gosh. What? Shells are letting me down. I don't know what this is, guys. A teal? Freaking teal! Teals in the snow, guys! Holy cow! That other one was a drake, man. I was so close to a drake teal. Well, this is a mixed bag. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Holy cow, guys. A lot of snow. Dang it, man, I was hoping for 2 on that one. Oh well. We got a drake. Can't see in the snow, guys. It's coming down so hard. I don't know where they came from. Oh, what a stud. I'm all tangled up in freaking decoys. Oh. They were quick. They were quick. What an incredible hunt, guys. I don't know how many of these I've actually gotten on camera. I just shot this drake mallard. They came in right over top of me. Beautiful stud drake mallard. We've got him. We shot our green wing. I don't think you guys saw me take the shot at those, or at him. There were 2 of them. I missed the drake. And then we got a hen redhead, or that, I'm sorry, yeah, hen redhead and a hen mallard. Absolutely brutal weather out here, guys. But man, this has been the best duck hunt of the year so far for me, by far. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Definitely duck weather. I really hope we're gonna stick it out. I'm gonna try and scratch out my limit. I only need 2 more, so I'm hoping for a drake redhead, maybe another drake mallard, or either that or a bluebill or something. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. Whoop, 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 whoop. What? No! Oh, you gotta be kidding me! No! Oh! No! How did I miss? Guys, I don't know what to say. That was humbling. That was humbling. I should not have missed those ducks at all. I completely missed. I said 2 drake mallards dive bomb right over me. I was not ready at all. And they landed, came right in my spread, right in range, just sitting there. They wouldn't jump for the life of me, and I can't believe it. Wow. Darn. I'm gonna pop a new battery in my GoPro here. Hopefully no ducks come in while I'm doing that. We're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna get it done. Oh my word, fly already. missing these ducks. Oh, I can't see into the wind. It's killing me. Dust of that merganser. Let's go this way, wrap them up. Here go 20. All right, baby. What did I shoot now is the question. Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me. Yeah, baby. Yeah, freaking heck yeah. I shot freaking goldeneye. Oh, it doesn't get any better, guys. Look at that freaking stud of a goldeneye. Oh, wow. Wow. I got one more duck to my limit, guys. Oh, there's a couple right here. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. There's my limit. There's my limit. Day to remember, guys. Oh, this is a day to remember. I think that's a teal. What a day. Canoe's starting to move there. Look, keep an eye on that. Man, this duck's out here. Is that a freaking blue-winged teal? Guys, I think I got a freaking blue-winged teal. Dang it, man, he's getting deep. Yes! Oh, it's a day of new birds, guys. I just shot a freaking blue-winged teal. You gotta be kidding me. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Unbelievable. This is a special day, guys. This is a special day. I don't even know what to say, guys. Unbelievable. What a stud. What a stud. Alright, guys, just got back in the truck finally. My GoPro ran out of storage on me there, so I couldn't get any more footage, but anyhow, we ended with our limit, and man, what an incredible duck hunt. It is absolutely brutal weather. It's complete whiteout. It's still whiteout. It kind of cleared up there for a little bit for cleaning up. It's complete almost whiteout again right now, and just screaming wind. Ducks were flying like crazy. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please think about subscribing. Hoping to be getting back on the channel a little more here and start putting out some videos again. So anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.